Good morning children, Sai Ram. Welcome back in our maths session. I hope children you all must have enjoyed Diwali vacation. So today I am going to ask you a question. In the previous class of maths we have learnt about addition. How to do the addition by adding numbers. Okay children, do you all remember? So, suppose you have 2 chocolates. Okay, and if I give you 2 more chocolates, then children, how many chocolates will you have altogether? So here, what you are going to do? Yes, you are going to add. You are going to join. You are going to combine all chocolates all together. So children, addition means, see here, this is the symbol of addition. Addition means, yes, you all are very smart. Addition means to put things together. Okay children? So now can you all tell me how many chocolates now you have all together? 2 you were having and 2 more I gave you. So all together now you have, if we put all chocolates together, you will have, yes, 4 chocolates. So addition means to put things together. Addition means combining. Addition means joining. So children, we'll do here one more addition. Can you all read the number? Yes, 25 plus 7. In the last period of maths, we have learnt 1 digit number addition. Now here, today, you are going to count forward and do the addition. So, children, use your fingers for counting numbers forward and we'll do this addition sum. So 25 plus 7. Now children, see, 25 you have to keep in your mind. And how many fingers you all can see here on the screen? Yes, 7. So you have to count all these fingers after 25. Means you have to count forward after number 25. So children, after 25 comes 26. Then comes 27. Then children, 28, 29, 30, 31 and 32. So children, 25 plus 7 equals 32. So here we have counted the numbers by using your fingers. You are going to do the addition by counting forward. Okay children? So our today's topic is addition by counting forward. Okay children, now I am going to give you more examples. So you all are going to pay attention. Now look at here children. Here is number. Read the number in your mind. Yes, 37 plus 38. Now you all can use your fingers and you have to count forward 8 more fingers, 8 more numbers after 37. So children, after now you all can see here on the screen, we can see 8 fingers because we are going to count forward 8 more numbers. So after 37 comes 38. Very good. After 38 comes 39. If you add one more, then 30, 40. Very good. Then children, 41. Then comes 42. Very good. Then 43, 44 and 45. So 37 plus 8. If we count forward on fingers, the correct answer is 45. Very good. I hope children you all are understanding how to do the addition by counting forward. Now let's see another example. Now here is number 38 plus 9. Come on children, get ready. Use your fingers and count the, do the addition by counting forward. So you have to first of all keep in your mind number 38 and count forward 9 more numbers using your fingers. Okay. So here see how many fingers you all can see on the screen? 9. Very good. So after 38 you have to start counting forward. After 38 comes 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 and here comes 47. So children, what is the correct answer? 38 plus 9 equals, yes, 47. This is the correct answer. Now we are going to see one more example. See here. Yes, what is written here? 41 plus 3. Okay. Now you all can count forward using your fingers. So 41 plus 3. Here we can see 3 fingers. Which number comes after 41? 42, 43 and 44. So here is our answer 44. 41 plus 3 equals 44. Now see one more example. Here is 22 plus 6. And children, here are 6 fingers. Now you are going to count forward in your mind. After 22 comes 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and here is 28. So the correct answer is 28. Very good. Are you understanding children? I hope you all must have understood. Okay children. Now we will see one more example. Here is number 64 plus 8. And we can see here 8 fingers on the screen. Because you are going to add number 8 in 64. So after 64, start counting forward. So children, after 64 comes 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. So what is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is Who is going to tell? Yes, 72. You all are very clever. Come on, children. I hope you all are enjoying. Now, one more example. Here is 19 plus 5. And here we can see 5 fingers. So here comes after 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And the correct answer is 24. Okay, children, understood? Now, children, look at the screen. Here you all can see numbers from 1 to 100. You all can do the addition by counting forward using number chart. This is also one of the method of doing addition by counting forward. Now children, now here see the addition 8 plus 6. Now you can find number 8 on the number chart and you can count forward here in the given chart. So 8 plus 6. In number 8 you are going to count forward more 6 numbers. So here is number 8. Can you all see? Look at the screen, children. Okay, so after 8 you are going to count forward more 6 numbers. So look at the screen. After 8 comes 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So what is the correct answer, children? Yes, the correct answer is 14. Very good. Well done, children. Now we will see one more example. Now here is 7 plus 9. So if you see the chart, here is number 7. And you are going to count forward 9 more numbers. So after 7, we'll count forward 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So the correct answer is 16. Very good. I hope, children, you all must have understood addition by counting forward. Okay, children. I hope you all must have enjoyed today's session. See you soon in the next maths session. Bye, children.